Hello, and welcome to my quiz on North Korea and Taiwan. North Korea, officially the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, and it constitutes the northern half of the Korean peninsula. Early European visitors remarked that the country resembled a sea in a heavy gale because of the many successive mountain ranges that crisscross the peninsula. It's also a totalitarian dictatorship, and they follow Songun, which is a military first policy, and as a result, have the fourth largest army in the world. So, the Myeongsan Mountain, mysterious fragrant mountain in North Korea, is home to the International Friendship Exhibition. It has gifts to the North Korean leaders, one of the largest of its kind. Which of the following is not a real gift in the museum? So there are some artifacts from the museum. So which is not a real gift? Is it a stuffed bear's head from the former Romanian leader Nicolae Ceausescu, an ivory lion statue from Tanzania, or a basketball signed by LeBron James given by the US Secretary of State? Not all presidents can boast about having a flower named after them. Two North Korean presidents, there they are, and they hold this honour. Yes, Kim Il-sung and his son Kim Jong-il. Which type of flowers were they? For half a point each. So you've got Kim Il-sung, anemone, iris, orchid. Kim Jong-il, begonia, lily, rose. The capital, Pyongyang, contained a monument called the Juche Tower. This tower was named after an ideology President Kim Il-sung developed about how North Korea would have to stand in the world. Which of the following ideas are not part of the Juche principle? A. Cultural world domination, B. Military self-confidence, or C. Political independence? Excuse me. And question 4. The Taebaek Mountains on the east coast of the Korean peninsula run in North and South Korea. Which of the following ores is mined in the Taebaek Mountains? Is it A. Copper, B. Iron, or C. Zinc? And question 5. North Korea took part in the Paris Olympics this year, winning silver medals in the mixed doubles table tennis. Here they are posing for a selfie with their Republic of Korea counterparts. In which other sport did they win silver? Was it boxing, diving, or wrestling? Taiwan is a country in East Asia with a long and complex history of colonization, occupation, and resistance. It is home to about 23 million people, mostly of Han Chinese descent. It has an area of almost 36,000 square kilometres, with mountain ranges dominating the eastern two-thirds and plains in the western third, where its highly urbanised population is concentrated. Chiang Kai-shek fled mainland China for Taiwan after persecution by Chinese communists. Here's his statue in Taiwan. In which year did he move there with his Chinese Nationalist Party, the Kuomintang, and followers? Taiwan competed at the Paris Olympics this year, winning 7 medals, 2 gold and 5 bronze. Here are their gold medal winners for men's doubles badminton and women's boxing. They competed as Chinese Taipei and have done since 1984. How many of the following countries have they competed under after living in the same place, Taiwan? This is not a multi-choice question for once. So, or it kind of is. You can either say 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 of those places they've competed for. The island of Taiwan has the largest number and density of high mountains in the world. As a result, most of the population live in coastal regions. How high is its highest mountain, Jade Mountain, also known as Yushan, pictured here? So is it 3,952 metres, 4,952 meters, or 5,852 meters. The semiconductor industry, including integrated circuits, forms a major part of Taiwan's industry. How much of the world's semiconductors do they produce? 30%, 50%, or 70%? And question 10, last but not least. Taiwan is very famous for its computer gaming industry. Can you put the names to the logos for a third of a point each? So we've got Germania, Softworld, or Softstar. And that's your questions. Answers to follow shortly.